Can I transfer crypto from Revolut to Revolut X? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you this quick and easy tutorial. Now to proceed, you simply want to head over to the official website of Revolut. In my case, I am inside the Windows version right here. You can also go ahead and do this from the application itself. Now, if we then navigate through the official article from Revolut, we can then go ahead and see that currently your Revolut X account can only send and receive funds from your personal Revolut account. They are actively launching on more features in the future, including withdrawals to the external addresses. And so to go ahead and transfer crypto from external addresses, let's go ahead and navigate through this another article right here about sending crypto to an external address. Now to proceed, you want to go ahead and open up your Revolut app. You want to go to crypto on the bottom menu. You want to tap send, and from there you simply want to select the cryptocurrency that you like to send, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Now select one of the already added compatible wallets or tap the new to add a new address. You can paste a new wallet address in the search bar to proceed. From there, enter the amount that you want to send or withdraw, tap send, review the transfer, check the details and network, and lastly, you want to go ahead and send to confirm the order. And so if this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.